Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the crankshaft pulley on Volkswagen Golf 4 1.4 petrol. The crankshaft pulley on this car is located on the side, on the bottom of the engine, and I'll show you from underneath. First we need to remove the wheel because it's in our way, and then we'll have access to the crankshaft pulley. This is the crankshaft pulley right there, but first we need to remove the serpentine belt. In order to remove the serpentine belt, I need to turn the tensioner clockwise in order to loosen the belt. The tensioner pulley is the middle pulley, just over there. We just turn it clockwise and the belt is loosened, and now we can remove it. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next thing we have to do is remove the bolt for the crankshaft pulley. I'm going to be using a pneumatic gun to remove it. That's the easiest way. After I remove the bolt, we can take out the crankshaft pulley. Maybe we can wiggle it out and it will come out. Just be careful not to come out with the sprocket. And now we can put on the new crankshaft pulley. We can put the bolt on, tighten it, and then we need to put the serpentine belt on, and then we're done. And now we can put the belt on, and then we're done. Thank you for watching.